So then we're going to format the list items. Now the list items, which are essentially these here. You can see I've already done it. I'm just going to turn it back. Oh, I forgot to save it. Just put them back again. You can see they've got these horrible full stops, which I don't want inside our nav links at all. So we're going to get rid of those first, okay? And we're going to kind of format this, get this working in small stages, okay? And the reason we're going to do it in small stages is just because if you do it all at once, it could be a little bit overwhelming, and I want you to understand exactly what's going on at all stages, to the best of your ability. So, here I've got a new class, okay? Notice this class because it's got a full stop in front of it. Boom. And then I want to apply this to my unordered list, my list here. So I'm going to go class equals navlinks. What this does, it says list style none. So what this essentially means is don't put any kind of bullet points at the front of your list items. Okay. So I'm going to save that and run it. And as you can see, my full stops have gone. My bullet points are gone. Okay, and that's the starting point of actually turning these into proper links. So I'm going to stop it there, okay, just because we are going to break this down into small chunks.